Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to reset password or recover logins on Gusto. Now if you're logged out or you forgot your password, don't worry, here's how to reset your Gusto login quickly and securely. First step, go to Gusto's login page. Now head over to www.gusto.com and click sign in at the top right. Now under the login field, you're going to select forgot your password. Step 2, enter your email address. Now type in the email address associated with your Gusto account and click reset password. Gusto will send a password reset link to your inbox. Step 3, open the email and click the link. Now check your email and click the password reset link, and if you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Step 4, create a new password. Now enter your new password, confirm it, and hit reset password. Make sure it's something secure but memorable. Bonus, if you're an admin helping someone else, then you can, in case you're an admin and an employee is logged out, you can't reset their password for them, but you can make sure that their email is correct in their profile, or you can resend their welcome invitation. And you're back in. Whether it's you or a team member, getting access restored in Gusto is quick and painless. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.